Hello students, in this video we are going to study the remaining part of the chapter 1. The chapter name is Who Will Do This? Class 5 Subject EVS. In the previous video we had seen one story of Chintu and Meena, and then after we had seen what is primary duty and what primary duties we should follow. Then after we had seen some good habits and bad habits. Then we had seen public property. What is public property and some of the example of public properties. And then after at the end we had seen the different steps to clean or to wash our hands. And at last we had seen one activity which is given in your introduction part, and that was homework. So now let me start with the chapter, remaining part of this chapter. So here you have to observe these pictures. So what can you observe, or what are you observing from this first picture? So here you can see that one lady is sweeping the floor, and here in this picture the lady is throwing the garbage or rubbish in the dustbin or garbage bin. The second picture is given to you. You have to also observe these pictures. So what can you observe? So here in this picture a lady is throwing the garbage on the road or on the floor. She is not throwing the garbage in the dustbin. And here in the second picture you can see that one boy is admitted to the hospital and doctor is taking care of him. This boy might be staying or living around this lady's house. This lady is not keeping the environment clean, so it is unhygienic and unhealthy. So this boy might fall sick, and that's why he is admitted to the hospital. So after observing this picture, here some question answers is given to you. You have to answer these questions, and you also have to write these answers in your textbook. First question is, what is good in both the pictures? The next question is, what is wrong in both the pictures? Then where do you dispose of the rubbish of your house? Dispose, that means how you are removing the rubbish, that means waste or garbage of your house. The next is, what is the arrangement for the disposal of street rubbish or street garbage? And the last question is, where do you release dirty water of your house? So that means what are the drainage system in your house? So now let me see the answer of these questions. So here the first question is given to you, answer of the first question. What is good in both the pictures? So answer is, in both the pictures, good is that we can see the lady is sweeping the floor and throwing waste in the dustbin. So this is how this lady keeps the environment or her surrounding clean and healthy or fresh. So this is your answer, that in both the pictures it is good that lady is sweeping or cleaning the floor and throwing the dust or garbage in the dustbin. The next question is, what is wrong in both the pictures? So in the second picture we can see that the lady is throwing some waste on floor and making the environment dirty, because of which people may fall sick. As we can see in the second picture that boy fell sick and he is admitted to the hospital. So it is wrong, and we should not do this. We should never throw the dust or garbage on the floor. We should always throw the waste or garbage in the dustbin. So it is wrong in the second picture that lady is throwing some waste on floor and making the environment dirty. The third question is, where do you dispose of the rubbish or garbage of your house? So we dispose of the rubbish from our house into the dustbin. We are throwing the garbage or rubbish in the dustbin. The next question is, what is the arrangement for disposal of street rubbish. So for street disposal, door-to-door compost collection vans have been arranged by our local officials, or you can say local municipalities. For street disposal, there are local officials or municipality van came to collect this compost collection or to collect this garbage to door or to house. So this is the arrangement for the disposal of street rubbish or street garbage. The next question is, where do you release the dirty water of your house? So we have drainage facility for releasing dirty water from our house. We have drainage facility or drainage system. There are drainage pipelines for releasing dirty water from our house to the main drainage system or main drainage pipe. So this is the how we are releasing our dirty water of our house. So now here on the other page, some other pictures are also given to you. You have to observe this picture and then after answer the question. You have to answer some of the questions. So the pictures are plants of Amit and Rahul. So here as you can see in the first picture, two friends are there. Their name is Amit and Rahul. They are playing in the park or garden. Here in the second picture, you can see that while playing, Rahul fallen on the plant which is there in the garden. So here in the third picture, you can see that the Rahul is not worried or bother about the plant is being uprooted. As the Rahul fallen on the plant gets uprooted. And in the third picture, you can see that Rahul is not worried or bother about that the plant is uprooted because of him. Then after, the Amit explained the Rahul the importance of plants and trees. So now he is also carrying the plants, as you can see in the last picture that both of them are planting the plant again and then after they are watering the plant. Rahul is watering the plant, as now he get to know that how the plants and trees are important for us. So from this picture, some question answers are given to you. You have to answer this question. The questions are like this, that what do you see in the first picture? What is Amit doing? What did Rahul do after the plant had been uprooted? And what should Rahul actually do? Then the question is, what do you do to look after the garden? So now let me see the answer of this question. So here the first question is given to you. What do you see in the first picture? And the answer of this question is, in the first picture, it can be clearly seen that Amit has planted a small plant, but his friend Rahul is not interested in such activity. As we had seen that after the uprooting the plant, Rahul does not bother about that. So Rahul is not at all interested in such type of activity like planting the tree or planting a small sapling. So it is seen that Amit likes or Amit interested in the planting the trees or plant. The next question is, what is Amit doing? So Amit is trying to explain Rahul about keeping our environment green and clean. So in the next picture, you can see that Amit is trying to explain the Rahul about the importance of trees and why we have to keep our environment green and clean. The next question is, what did Rahul do after the plant had been uprooted? So Rahul is feeling sad by seeing that the plant is uprooted. The next question is, what should Rahul actually do? So Rahul should help in planting more trees. After uprooting the plant, Rahul has to do this, he should plant the more trees. And what do you do to look after your garden? The last question is, this answer you can write by your own self. Here the answer is given to you that we look after our garden by protecting it from animals, enabling it in getting proper sunlight, watering it from time to time, and adding nutrients and digging it from time to time. We have to look after our garden and we have to protect our trees in the garden from the animals. Then after we have to make sure that their plant are getting proper sunlight and water from time to time, and at some interval of times we have to add nutrients to the plants, and we have to dig them unnecessary plants which are growing around the plants. So here on the next page some other pictures are also given to you. The same you have to do. First you have to observe this picture and then after you have to answer the questions which are given below to these pictures. So in the first picture you can see that there is a hand pump in the open area and some houses are there. So you can see that hand pump is a public property and anyone can use that hand pump. In the second picture what you are observing? So in this second picture one boy is filling his bucket through this hand pump. In the next picture, second picture, you have to observe this picture, and as you can see that two ladies are there at the public tap. They came to public tap to fill their pot and they are filling the pot with water, but they are busy in talking and they didn't recognize that her pot is filled with water and water is spilling out from the pot. And in the last picture you can see that after filling even pot, the tap is not closed properly, so that after closing the tap there are also water is wasting or spilling outside. So there is the lots of wastage of water in the second picture you can see, and while in this first picture the boy fills his bucket carefully and he is not wasting the water. So now from this picture you have to answer these questions. The questions are, what do you observe in the first picture? Then what do you observe in the second picture? And which things do you consider proper in both the pictures and why? And then after, list down the activities where the water is saved and wasted in your surroundings. So the answers are given here. The first question is, what do you observe in the first picture? So in the first picture we can see that a boy has come near a hand pump to get water, but he is not wasting water. He is carefully filling his bucket with water and he is not wasting the water. Now the second question, what do you observe in the second picture? So in the second picture we can see that there are two women who come to get water, but they are busy in talking to each other without noticing that their pots are full and the water is being wasted. So there is a lot of wastage of water. They are wasting the water. They are not careful about this. The third question is, which things do you consider proper in both the pictures? So from both the picture we come to know that water should not be wasted as it is very precious. If we will not save the water right now, then after few years or after few times we cannot get the water to drink even. So we have to save the water as it is very precious. The next is, list down the activities where the water is saved and wasted in your surrounding. You have to write this answer by your own, that where the water is saved and wasted around you. You can take the example like while we are brushing our teeth. Some of you are opening the tap and wasting the water. So you can take the example like this one. You have to write both the examples where you are saving the waters and you are wasting the waters. And these answers you have to write in your textbook. So till now in this video we had seen that we have to keep our surrounding clean and fresh, and then we had seen that we have to save trees and waters, as these are the precious sources that we are getting from nature. The remaining part of this chapter we will see in the next video. So right now let me see one activity or which is given in the introduction part of the textbook. So this one you have to write in your textbook, which is given on your page number 5. Write about your friend. In this you can write your friend's name, his or her favorite things, what he or she likes to do, what are their hobbies, and your memories with that friend. You can write that in this column and you have to write this in your textbook. In the next video we will see the remaining part of the first chapter. Thank you.